Welcome to LedgerShiftAI. Today, we're talking about what happens when AI steps into the high-stakes world of accounting, and more importantly, why just blindly trusting AI without any oversight could be a complete recipe for disaster. And you can see the appeal, right? AI can chew through massive amounts of data at unprecedented speed. AI is able to spot patterns that a human being would just never ever see, and it can boost predictive accuracy. But what happens when your powerful new ally, AI, is wrong about a key assumption and give you some bad information? Because these systems, for all of the speed and power they possessed, are far from perfect. In accounting, the fallout can be massive. Technical flaws. First, you have hallucinations. When the AI generates completely fabricated but plausible outputs, then you've got the black box problem. The AI can provide a conclusion, but it can't show you its work or how it came up with the solution. For an accountant whose job is built on logic that must be able to prove, both of these are absolute deal breakers and non-negotiable. Reliability, garbage in, garbage out. Biased data inevitably produces biased and misleading results. While tax laws can change overnight, an AI model can be stuck in the past, relying on stale information. Maybe most dangerous are the subtle errors. Tiny mistakes that quietly cascade into costly decision-making failures. Automation bias will cause you to lower your natural skepticism. Once you stop researching the answers for yourself, you tend to not utilize your own judgment. The truly scary danger isn't what the machine does wrong, it's what it does to us, the human professional, when judgment erodes. Over time, that professional skepticism that makes an accountant so valuable starts to get rusty if humans stop challenging outputs. Cognitive atrophy, also known as the use it or lose it principle. Our mental muscles for judgment start to weaken when we stop using it. When that hallucinating black box costs your company millions, who will end up on the hook? Well, you as the accountant are. The legal precedent is being set. Some major companies and some health insurers have been held liable for committing AI errors. The message from the courts is clear. You cannot blame the algorithm because you didn't use proper judgment and common sense. Standard liability insurance more than likely won't cover this error. You may need errors and omissions or E&O insurance. The future shouldn't be about replacement. It should be about collaborating with AI, with the human in the driver's seat. AI is a beast at processing data, but the human superpower is providing ethical judgment and context. The future isn't AI versus human. It's AI helping to supercharge the irreplaceable judgment of an expert. AI is a tool whose job is to augment your skills, not replace them. AI should be your assistant, not your substitute. Please help us grow this channel. Like and subscribe to LedgerShift AI. Thanks for watching.